kulang ka sa strategy. Paminsan, pagod ka na, pero wala kang clear na makuhang resulta. Na parang you're doing everything and there's nothing that comes back. Minsan ang problema mo ay hindi dahil kulang ka sa effort. Minsan hardworking ka na nga eh. But sometimes, let's be honest, kulang ka sa strategy. Paminsan, pagod ka na, pero wala kang clear na makuhang resulta. Na parang you're doing everything and there's nothing that comes back. And paminsan, hindi mo naman talaga kailangan ng mas maraming energy. Maybe, ang kailangan mo ay mas malinaw na direksyon. Ito ha, let me be honest with you. Sometimes react ka ng react, pero wala ka namang plano. Paminsan gusto mo mauna agad doon sa next thing to do. Pero hindi naman optimized or utilized yung present moment mo, yung now. Paminsan, makakita lang or makaramdam ng takot, palit agad ng plano. Let's be honest, that's emotional survival. Kaya alam mo, isa sa mga bagay na ina-advocate ko in Prime is to help you really shift from being reactive to being anticipating. From guessing, alam mo yun, ng hula ng hula, to designing. And from overworking to executing calmly. Because, let me share this with you. How you are with your emotions, and if it influences your strategy right now, ano kaya magiging itsura ng buhay if you actually lead from clarity and strategy instead? Hindi na lang mang reactive, kung hindi, may malinaw na plano at direction. Gentle reminder lamang.